Good afternoon. Today I am discussing some last topics of coordination compounds. There is another class of compounds which is known by the name of metal carbonyls. In these compounds, carbon monoxide act as a ligand. These are simple compounds. These are homoleptic. Homoleptic means that there is a presence of only one ligand. There will be formation of metal carbonyl bond or metal carbon dioxide bond. These will be having both sigma as well as pi character. All these metal carbonyls are having very well defined structure. Some of them are having very simple structure. The first example is nickel tetracarbonyl. There are 4 carbon monoxide groups around the nickel and the structure is tetrahedral. The oxidation state of nickel is 0. The next one is pentacarbonyl iron. It is having trigonal bipyramidal structure. In this also, the oxidation state of iron is 0. The next one is, it is hexacarbonyl chromium. There is 6 carbon monoxide around the chromium. It is octahedral in nature. Now, sometimes there is a formation of metal-metal bond in these compounds. For example, in decacarbonyl manganese, there are metal bond between manganese and manganese. If we see the structure of MnCO5, that is square pyramidal, and these combine together to form a carbonyl compound, that is MnCO10. Now there is a CO2CO8, that means octacarbonyl dicobalt. The 2 carbonyl groups, they act as a bridge between 2 cobalts, and there is a metal-metal bond between these carbonyl groups. So I have already told that these are having very well defined structure, but I want to tell you how does the formation of these compounds takes place. Let me take an example of nickel tetracarbonyl and why the oxidation state is 0. This I have told in the valence bond theory, but I want to tell it again. The atomic number of nickel is 8. That means its electronic configuration is 3d8 4s2. The oxidation state 0 means it will not lose any electron, it will not gain any electron. So, if I write its configuration, there are total number of 8 electrons in that of a 3D and the 2 electrons in that of a 4s, and there are the p orbital is lying vacant. Now what it will do? It will shift its 2 electron from s to d. So there will be pairing of electrons. Now total number of orbitals which remain vacant, these are 4, 1s and 3p. They will hybridize together without losing or gaining any electron. It will be sp3 hybridization and the oxidation state becomes 0. And this happens in all the carbonyl compounds. These are having the oxidation state 0. These can be prepared by the direct reaction of metal with that of a carbon monoxide. If the nickel reacts with 4 carbon monoxide, it will be NiCO4 at the high pressure and 100 degrees Celsius. Iron react with carbon monoxide at 200 degrees Celsius and high pressure. It will be FeCO5. Similarly, cobalt react with that of a 6Co. Again the temperature is 200 degrees Celsius and high pressure it is CO6. So these are the direct method. Although there are few other methods, but the preparation is not in our syllabus. Now I will tell you about the properties of these metal carbonyls.